friends! Come join AquaSpark, the AI robot, on a splashy adventure to clean our rivers, lakes, and oceans. Meet AquaSpark, the super smart AI robot who loves swimming in rivers and seas. I'm fast, never tired, and I can see trash with my smart AI eyes. But kids and grown-ups have the best ideas and big caring hearts for our planet. One day, lots of yucky trash floated into the river and out to the big sea.
I can clean it all by myself. Easy peasy. Oh no, there was too much trash everywhere, even under the sea. Poor fish and turtles were scared. AquaSpark knew he needed friends. I need friends! The kids shouted, AquaSpark is awesome, but together we're super strong. Yeah, teamwork! Kids used clever plans to find trash hotspots in rivers and lakes. Let's build a trap. Together they sorted trash. Plastic here, metal there, organic safe. The water got clearer and clearer. Fish swam happily again. I needed your smart hearts to make it work.
Now AquaSpark cleans the heavy stuff, so kids can dream and play more.
Yay! Together we keep our waters sparkly clean. AI robots like AquaSpark help pick up trash so we can protect animals and play. Let's keep working together for super clean rivers, lakes, and oceans forever. AI robots help clean hard spots, but kids plus robots plus caring hearts make our waters the best.